Now it's a big statement by the RBI, big announcement. RBI has slashed the key lending rates. Repo rates have been cut by 25 BPS. RBI's Monetary Policy Committee has announced that repo rates have been cut by 25 BPS. Repo rate at the moment now is at 6%. What does it mean? What are the ramifications of this? And it's coming in the backdrop, obviously, of the Trump tariff aftermath. What does it mean? For us, Hina's joining us on the phone line to help us decode all of this. Hina, over to you. RBI obviously has now announced the latest repo rates. What does this mean for home buyers, and also the significance of the new rates coming, repo rates coming in the backdrop of Trump tariff wars?
Well, Meenakshi, you're right. Now this is a significant move by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Definitely has got some relief for us, some reason to cheer, because amid the Trump tariff heat, which also has kicked in from today for India and other countries, of course, this is being seen as RBI's rate cut therapy. RBI has slashed the key lending rate or repo rate by 25 basis points or 0.25% to 6%. This is the second such rate cut that we have seen in this year itself, which simply means that those who already have, EMIs running on several home loans or vehicle loans, their EMIs are set to go down. And those who are preparing to, take some kind of loan, for them, it's good news because loan rate is going to get cheaper. Another important point that was made by the RBI governor today in his press conference was that he acknowledged the uncertainty that we are seeing. And he also said that, in fact, he began by saying that the year has begun on an anxious note. There are new headwinds for growth, even though on one hand, crude oil prices have fallen sharply. They are at a 3-year low right now at $60 per barrel. For India, inflation is expected to remain under control, but global uncertainties can cast a shadow on our growth as well. Something that the government will also have to monitor and keep an eye on very, very closely. He said manufacturing is showing signs of revival. Investment activity in the country has gained traction. So while our domestic fundamentals, are going towards the positive direction, it's the international uncertainty that may have an impact, for which we will have to be prepared. But, on the whole, for consumers, for middle class, there is some good news that has come in terms of a cut in repo rate. Apart from that, the growth forecast for the current year has also been brought down from the earlier forecast of the Reserve Bank of India, and that's largely because of the Trump tariff uncertainty. We don't know how it's going to really impact our growth going forward. So focus is now going to be on the trade deal between US and India. That will help us get another direction as to where we are headed.
Well, absolutely. And we'll have to wait and watch really the impact of this as well. Hina, thank you for joining us with all these details. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.